Hey, it's Patrick from J&P Cycles, and today we're going to talk about our Custom Dynamics ProBEAM LED turn signal kits. And we have a set of ProBEAM turn signals on the front and the back of our street glide here. The reason you want to do this is because the LED lights are super bright, much brighter than your stock lights, and it gives you a little bit of adjustability on the style of light you want. As you can see here, we have a white circle and it matches up nicely with our kind of halo version of our Hogworks headlight here. When you hit the signal, it actually flashes amber in the front. Now on the back, we have a red set of these. It's red on the red ring on the outside and flashes red on the inside and lights up the brake light red on the inside. And you can kind of tune your look a little bit more. We have the smoked lens on ours now, but it's very easy to switch to a red lens or like an amber lens. They sell a variation of these color combinations front to back. You're gonna wanna check your local laws to see if you need a red or an amber in the front or the back. Install, really super easy. Pop these off the flat bladed screwdriver. They give you a really nice seal, a couple of rubber gaskets on the inside of the light. It's a nice unit. It seals up real nice so you don't have to worry about water getting into that circuit board, and you just turn it right back in like you would a regular 1157 bulb. Install is super easy, and as always, you're always gonna want more light. More light's never a bad thing, and it gives you a little bit of tunability with the look of the bike as far as the rings and the white light and the amber light. Looks really cool. So if you have any questions, as always, you can comment in the comment section below. If you like what you see here, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to us. Now go work on those motorcycles.